Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys quickly how you can add drum kits to your FL Studio. Before we get even started, sorry for this quality in this recording. I was going to use OBS Studio, but that shit's acting harder than donkey dicks right now for me, and I don't feel like getting my mic, and this laptop mic is just doo-doo, so we're going to do it via one hand and the cell phone method. So first things first, you're going to need some drum kits. As you can see, I've got these bad boys here that I've downloaded for free. And it's called 808 Mafia drum kit, Boom Bap kicks, Drummer Boy drum kit, and blah, 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 blah. Now, you can buy drum kits, you can get them for free, like I said. One thing you want to check is, especially if you're buying them, make sure that shit's WAV files. If some motherfucker is selling you a drum kit and it's MP3 files, get your fucking money back. But let's get right into it. So a lot of the time it's going to come like this, zipped up, and you're obviously going to need WinRAR to unzip it. So let's just do 808, right click on that bad boy and go to extract here. So once it extracts that drum kit, as you can see, we get two folders. One is Mac OS, which I'm assuming is the folder with the sounds that, I don't know, for Mac fucking operating system. And the other one is 808 drum kit. So I'm going to copy this, right click and copy. And we're going to go into our computer down here and find my computer, this PC, and then I'm going to go into the C drive. Now, there's two program files folders. One is 32-bit, one is 64-bit. ImageLine or Fruity Loop Studio seems to show in both, but in my case, all the files and shit are underneath the 32-bit program files. So what we're going to do is just double click on that bad boy. I'm just going to click anywhere and hit I until it gets to ImageLine. So open that up, go into FL Studio 11, double click, go into data, double click there, go into patches, go into packs. Double click into packs, right click, and paste. Now it's going to paste our drum kit into there, and as you can see, it's going to be right where the drums, instruments, legacy, loops, those folders are on the left-hand side. So now if I open up FL Studio, it should automatically update. You don't even have to have the software shut off, at least in my case, it seems to update right away. But yeah, if I go here into packs, as you can see, it's got the 808 Mafia drum kit. And it's got little folders there for that. So yeah, these are the sounds that I've got with it. Ooh, that sounds nasty. All right, yeah, man. So basically that's how you add drum kits to your FL Studio. It's quite simple. Hope that video helps you guys out. If you have any questions, drop a comment. At the same time, make sure to check out the channel, some of the other videos, and make sure you sub, all right? Peace.